Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are working on my trailer. Something actually pretty simple, just my plug, and I'll show you guys here in a second. We are outside and it is super bright today, but it is a little windy, so you probably hear some of that too, so I'll try to speak up. The GoPro does have a nice little microphone, but it is windy, and right next to my garage, nice big driveway. But what we're working on, so what has happened is right here it is cracked. So when I put it in the truck, it will become super hard to remove because it's kind of expanded. Also, kind of hard to tell probably, but there's been some growth just on some of the terminals. Now I put some dielectric grease in there for the last time I drove it, just to kind of help with the connection, but we're going to get that replaced. Shouldn't need much more than just some screwdrivers, so we'll see how this goes. So O-plug, big crack, new one, pretty much identical, bought from my local Napa store. I've actually never done this before, so you're going to follow along as I either mess this up or figure it out. To be honest, I'm not even real sure which part to pull apart first, so we'll see. There is a piece right here. You know what? We'll do it with the other one first. That's nice. I need a different Phillips head screwdriver. So what's interesting is the old one that came on the trailer, oops, kind of hard to tell, but it's a flathead, but the one from Napa is actually a Phillips, so kind of looks like the set screw, kind of what holds the inner piece in, I believe. Alright, so I finally got it far enough out somehow, and yep, just pops out. You can see all the different pieces, and it'll also label what you're needing also, so that is handy. And if you're never sure, also a lot of times on the back of the trucks, and I can take you over, the same diagram will also be kind of hard to tell, but like BB, GD for ground, stuff like that will be labeled on the back, so super handy. That could be the color of the wire. This is probably ground. Alright, so that is done. Now let's pull this apart again. Flathead. This one will not be as easy. Oh, years of... This trailer's 13, I think, so 12 years old. you can tell, there is a lot of rust on these terminals from years of just sitting out in the sun. That's just kind of one of those things that will happen. And one thing you can always do if you're not sure is you can always take photos of the location of where the wires are, because all these are going to line up the exact same. So take photos of the wires, and when they come apart, they're going to be in the exact same location. So simple little tip, especially just to kind of keep stuff in line. So two things happen. Two wires, the nuts or the Phillips, basically they're so bad they didn't want to come undone. So I'm gonna have to go get a 10 snips, snip those, expose the wire a little bit so I can get this done properly. Make sure you put this on first before you start working on this. Alright, so you pull up your reference guide. Alright, I want to show you this other thing real quick. Alright, just want to show you this other thing just in case for whatever reason you're not able to take a photo for reference or something. So on the back of most modern pickups, is an outline of your plug where the light should be. So I know it's not color coordinated, but the reason it's not color coordinated is because every trailer might be slightly different as far as the trailer wiring, but it tells you, you know, negative, reverse lights, positive, left blinker, right blinker, hazard, etc. So if you needed, that is also a reference guide in case you're not able to pay attention when you're swapping, kind of like I did with taking just a quick photo and then referencing it. So yeah, all right, let's go back and finish it up. So again, key slots, we'll need to find them inside. That is key to lining everything up. Then it lines up perfectly. Now we need to set the set screws. Too much. Okay, that's it. Rewiring your trailer plug, not too terrible, something you can easily do. Again, I've never done it until right now. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends, guys.